How to make green bean mooncake, a traditional Vietnamese dish. Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as Moon Festival, is one of the most important festivals in Vietnam, celebrated on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month every year. One of the most iconic Ingredients: 300 grams glutinous rice flour, 200 grams mung beans, 150 grams sugar, 100 grams vegetable oil, 1 egg yolk, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon lye water, 100 milliliters water. Instructions: soak the mung beans in water for at least 2 hours. Drain the water and steam the mung beans for 20 to 25 minutes until they are soft and fully cooked. Mash the mung beans with a fork or a blender until they form a smooth paste. In a mixing bowl, add the glutinous rice flour, sugar, salt, and vegetable oil. Mix well. Add the mashed mung beans into the mixing bowl and combine until the ingredients form a smooth and cohesive dough. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized balls, about 40 grams each. Set one ball aside and roll the others into small, flat discs, about 1/4 inch thick. Place a small amount of the mung bean paste in the center of each disc. Take the ball of dough that was set aside and flatten it into a thin disc. Place this disc on top of the mung bean paste, sealing the filling inside. Press the edges of the dough together and gently shape the mooncake into a round disc. Place the mooncakes into a mooncake mold and press down firmly to create a decorative pattern on the surface. Brush the top of each mooncake with egg yolk to create a shiny finish. Bake the mooncakes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Remove the mooncakes from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before removing them from the molds. Allow the mooncakes to cool completely before serving.